Eddie says that his first day back at school today can't believe it's the last week going to class and school for the rest of his life. It feels strange.
Yeah. Well, the cool thing is school doesn't last long, even though people think, oh, school's it's not over yet. Well, it'll get over, and it will get over sooner than you expect, I believe, because it happened to me. And then I got jammed into the workforce. Okay, well, that sucked.
Honey Bunny's in.
Hi, honey bunny. I love you, sweetheart. Nice to see you.
Corrupted is in.
Who is?
Corrupted.
Corrupted. Welcome to the show. All right. What have we got here? Wow.
He says she loves you too.
Thank you, sweetheart. Okay. Hey, sweetheart, check this out. I got the lenses in these headlights. You know what I just found out? Look at this. Those lights are so bright that they're shining through the paper. I'm going to have to paint those some more.
Is there any heat coming off there, Mike?
No. They don't, they're not heating up. At least as far as I know. I haven't really checked that, but I don't think it is.
Who's Honey Bunny?
Who's Honey Bunny? Honey Bunny's my wife. And she comes in under the paper engineer.
20 minutes left, Mike.
All right. You heard it, guys. Not a lot of time left, but thank you for coming to a Monday show. And this is our new format. Y'all can listen to the mods. And if you would like a backstage pass to come to the Zoom meeting so that people in the show can hear you, you're welcome to that. All you got to do is clear it with Honey Bunny, Eddie, Grant, or Miranda.